Welcome back to our lesson Math 3, which is all about lesson B, duration of time. Alright, the duration of time. But before that, I want to introduce to you our vocabulary for this lesson. So we have duration. Okay, duration. Next, start. Start. And the last one, end. End. Okay, one more time. Duration, meaning to say the length. Okay, how long? Start, it is the beginning. Okay, the period when we begin something. End, meaning to say the period where we stop, when we stop something. Stop doing. Alright? So that is duration, start, end. Okay? So in letter B, we will be talking about duration of time. Duration of time, meaning to say the length of time. So we will know and we will measure the length of time in a specific activity. So we will know how long is the time spent in specific activity. Alright? So the first one here, the first scenario, we have here a drawing competition started at 9:40 a.m. 9:40 a.m. Can you still remember a.m.? Yes, in the morning. And ended at 11:10 a.m. It's still in the morning. Okay? It started at 9:40 a.m. and ended at 11:10 a.m. What was the duration of the drawing competition? Meaning to say, how long? How long is the drawing competition? How many hours and how many minutes does a drawing competition take up? Alright? So we have here our working. Okay? So our workings, we will be showing our clock. Alright? Our analog clock to look at the time. Alright? It started at 9:40. So the hour hand is pointing at 9. Okay? Alright? Not exactly 9, but it's over right there. 9, and then the minute hand is pointing at number 8, which we know that that is the minute. So when we count minute, we start 5, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that is 40 minutes. 9 hours, 40 minutes in the morning. Okay? And then the second clock shows 10:40 a.m. That means 1 hour later, right? So from 9:40 a.m. to 10:40 a.m., that is, the duration is 1 hour, right? 9:40 to 10:40, the duration is 1 hour, right? Okay. The drawing competition ended at 11:10. Alright, so there's still some minutes remaining. Okay, so from 10:40 to 11:10, how many minutes? 30 minutes. Alright, so that is 10:40, 5, 10, 15, 20. That is already 11 o'clock, right? 11 o'clock, 5 and 10, 11:10. Okay, so all in all, that is 30 minutes. Okay, so they ended the the drawing competition ended at 11:10 a.m. So the duration from 10:40 a.m. to 11:10 a.m. is 30 minutes. Okay, that is 30 minutes. Alright. Now, the question, what was the duration of the drawing competition? What is the length of time? Okay, so if we will see here, from 9:40 to 10:40 a.m., that is 1 hour, plus 30 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour plus 30 minutes. Alright, our answer, the answer for that, the duration of the drawing competition was 1 hour and 30 minutes. Right? 1 hour, 30 minutes. So that is the duration of the activity. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright. The next example. Let's take a look at this next example. We have here, as you can see, we have 4 clocks showing the time. Okay? A family went to a zoo. How much time did the family spend on the trip? So they went to the zoo. Okay? The first clock shows what time? 08:15 hours. So this one is, we are using the 24-hour system. 08:15 hours. The hour hand is pointing at 8 and the minute hand is pointing at 3. That is 15 minutes. Okay, let's go to the next example. We're going to find the length or the duration of time. A family went to a zoo. How much time did the family spend on the trip? Okay, how long? Alright, the first clock shows the family left their house at 08:15 hours. Okay, as we can see, 08:15 hours. 8 hours, 15 minutes. Alright, and then next clock. The next clock shows 09:30 hours. Okay? 09:30 hours. The hour hand is pointing at 9 and the minute hand is pointing at 6, which is 30 minutes. That is 09:30 hours. They reached the zoo at 09:30 hours. Then after that, they reached the zoo. The next clock shows 15:28 hours. Okay? 15:28 hours. The hour hand is pointing at 3. That is in the afternoon, right? Remember, when in the afternoon, we are going to add 12, right? Okay, so 12 plus 3 is 15. And how many minutes? Alright, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. It's 28 minutes. 15, 28 hours. Okay? They left the zoo at 15:28 hours. Okay? And the last clock, they reached home at 16:43 hours. Okay? So the last clock shows 16:43 hours. Again, in the afternoon, we're going to add 12. Okay? So 12 plus 4. Don't say it's already 5. Okay? It doesn't reach 5 yet. Okay? It's not exactly. So 12 plus 4, that is 16. Right? And how many minutes? 43. How come? Let's count by 5. In minutes, we count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 minutes. That is 16:43 hours. Okay? Now, we are going to solve how long did they spend on the trip. How many hours did they spend on the trip going to the zoo? Okay? Our working right here. Working. So from 08:15 hours to 16:15 hours. That is quite long, right? It's half. So 08:15 hours, that is in the morning. Alright? To 16:15 hours, that is in the afternoon. Okay. So 8:15 right there. 8:15. So let's count. That is 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Okay? So that is 8 hours. So from 08:15 to 16:15, the duration is 8 hours. Right? It's 8 hours. Okay? So they went home 16:43. So how many minutes more? Right? So from 16:15, let's count again. 16:15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28, 26, 27, 28. Alright? 28. That is 28 minutes. The duration from 16:15 hours to 16:43 hours is 28 minutes. Okay? So, which means 8 hours and 28 minutes. Okay? So that is the duration of time. How much time did the family spend going to the zoo? Okay? The family spent 8 hours and 28 minutes on the trip. Okay? So that is the duration of time. Right? Okay. So for our another example, let's practice. Let's do practice number 1. Okay? Practice number 1. Mr. Kim opens his bookstore at 09:15 hours. 09:15 hours is a.m. in the morning. Okay? He closes it at 20:30 hours every day. Alright? How long is the bookstore open in a day? So what is the duration from 09:15 to 20:30 hours in the afternoon? Okay? We are going to show our working. How to show our working? Alright, so I'm gonna show it to you how to do the working. Okay? How to do the working for this example. Okay, let's just use this one. in showing our working, we are going to draw. Okay? We will draw our clock. We're gonna draw it like this. Alright? 12, 6, 3, 9. Okay? So Mr. Kim opens his bookstore at 09:15. So where is 09:15? Right there. So we will point our hand at 9. Okay? And then 15. 09:15. That is 15 minutes. Point your minute hand to 3 at 3, which means 15 minutes. Okay? Now, let's go to our next clock to show the duration of time. Alright? I hope you are looking here so that you can follow and you can answer your workbook very well. Okay. He closes it at 20-30 hours every day. Okay? So this is 09:15 hours. Okay? So what is the duration? From 09:15 to 20:15. So let me show 20. That is 12 plus 8, that is 20. Okay, this is our hand. 20, 15. 15 minutes. So how long is that? From 9 to 20. Alright? That is 15 hours. So how long is that? From 09:15 to 20:15, how long? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 11. Right? 11 hours. Okay? So from 9:15 to 20:15, that is 11 hours. Okay? So next clock. Because Mr. Kim closes it at 20-30 hours. Okay. So how many minutes more? Alright? So 09:15 hours, so 20:15 hours, that is 11 hours. Okay? So we ended 20-30 hours. So 20:15, how many minutes more? So 20:15, 20, 25, 30. Alright? So 5, 10, 15. Okay? So that is 15 minutes. Right? So 20, 30, that is our minute hand. 20-30 hours. It takes 15 minutes more. Okay? So the duration is 15 minutes. Alright? So this is our working. So from 09:15 hours to 20:15 hours, that is 11 hours. And from 20:15 hours to 20-30 hours is 15 minutes. Okay? So the time now here is 20-30 hours. That's the time Mr. Kim closes his shop. Okay? So the duration of time, 11 hours plus 15 minutes. Okay? What is is the question again. How long is the bookstore open in a day? So how long? How long is the shop open every day, in a day? In one day? So our answer, the bookstore is open 11 hours and 15 minutes in a day. In a day, meaning to say every day. Okay? So our answer, the bookstore is open 11 hours and 15 minutes in a day. Okay? So, for your activity in this lesson, Product 3, for today, Thursday, please answer your workbook at page 97, here, 97, letter D, the whole page, and page 98. Okay, so 2 pages please. 2 pages for your exercises for this lesson, duration of time. 2 pages, 97 and 98. Alright? So let us review again our vocabulary for this topic. Duration, start, end. Okay, so that's all for today.